Hi everyone, and welcome back to another App Tutor video. Today we're going to show you how you can disable or turn off this new camera control button on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro devices. If you find yourself accidentally pressing this button and activating the camera unintentionally, then let's learn how to disable it completely. All we have to do is to open the settings on our iPhone, and then we want to navigate over to this accessibility section right here. After this step, we will scroll down and find the camera control option. It should be right under the side button and eye tracking option. So let's open it in order to get to this button's settings page. If you don't want to use this button at all for some reason, you can simply turn this switch off and then your camera control button will be disabled completely. If you try and press on that button, absolutely nothing will happen, and maybe that was your goal. But if you find this button useful and you want to use it, but you don't want those accidental presses and camera activations when you're doing other things on your phone, then I suggest that you change the button sensitivity so that it doesn't activate that easily. All we have to do is to set this to firmer, and then you can exit out of these settings. When you now use your phone and you maybe touch or press the button softly, the camera control button will not open our camera because we've changed the sensitivity option. This button will not be disabled. You can still use it to activate your iPhone 16's camera, but you'll just have to press a little bit stronger on the button. So yeah. You can either disable this new camera control button completely, or you can change the sensitivity of it so that you don't open your camera by accident. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like because that would really help out the channel. And I'll see you soon.